Saturday, January 31st. I've got an item that needs some electrical repair. This is a Sirius Satellite Radio unit. The actual antenna, the cable, cigarette lighter, and the unit has a receptive module here that put this on pause. This slides out of. So that's the interface unit. This is the, I don't know, what would you call it, a jacket? Anyway, the antenna goes in there, but that's not the problem at this time. The problem at this time is this antenna cable. Come on, there we go. See that? Come on, there we go. So somehow this portion here needs to be reattached. This portion here needs to be reattached to here. Additionally, there's a lot of extra line. I don't need that much line. I only need about 6 feet of line at the most. So that can be trimmed as well. I hope you can help me. Again, my name's Adam. Thanks.